The future didn't knock. It rewired the door, cut the power to everything old, and rolled in silent, sharp, and unapologetically electric. The 2027 Tesla Model Q is not a polite update, not a gentle evolution, not another safe design exercise. It is a direct challenge to every compact electric car that thinks efficiency alone is enough. This machine is here to dominate attention, redefine daily driving, and compress luxury, performance, intelligence, and sustainability into a form that feels engineered from tomorrow's expectations, not today's compromises. From the first glance, Model Q communicates intent. This is a compact Tesla by dimensions, but not by attitude. The stance is low, planted, and wide for its class, with short overhangs and a roofline that flows backward like air itself shaped the metal. The front is clean and roofless in its simplicity, a sealed fascia with razor-thin LED light bars that stretch across like a digital signature. Aerodynamics are not decorative here. Every curve channels wind, every edge controls turbulence, every surface is optimized for range and stability. Move along the side and the design language stays disciplined. Flush door handles, smooth character lines, tight panel gaps, and wheels that look carved rather than assembled. Tesla's obsession with reducing drag shows everywhere, yet the car never feels soft or anonymous. It feels purposeful, like a tool designed by engineers who also understand style. At the rear, the continuous light strip and sculpted tailgate complete the shape, modern without shouting, futuristic without trying too hard. Step inside and the philosophy becomes even clearer. The cabin does not attempt to overwhelm you with buttons, chrome, or artificial complexity. Instead, it removes friction. A single expansive center display floats on the dashboard like a command tablet, crisp, bright, and impossibly responsive. Materials are minimal but intentional. Soft-touch recycled composites, clean textiles, subtle metal accents, and surfaces designed to be durable without looking industrial. The seating position is upright but sporty, offering excellent outward visibility while keeping you connected to the road. Rear passengers are not an afterthought either. Legroom is generous for a compact class vehicle. Headroom remains comfortable even with the panoramic glass roof, and the flat floor makes the cabin feel wider than the exterior suggests. Storage is clever, distributed in deep door pockets, a large center console, a front trunk, and a surprisingly spacious rear cargo area. But design is only the surface layer. The real story of the Model Q lives in its technology stack. At the heart of the car is Tesla's next-generation hardware platform, running a new iteration of its neural network-based driving system. The interface is fast, fluid, and intuitive. Voice commands respond naturally. Navigation adapts in real time. Climate control predicts preferences. The car does not just react, it anticipates. The driver assistance suite pushes even further. Enhanced autopilot comes standard, with full self-driving capability offered as an upgrade in many markets. On highways, the car centers itself with calm precision, changing lanes smoothly, adjusting speed intelligently, and reading traffic like a human who never gets tired or distracted. In cities, it handles intersections, pedestrians, cyclists, and complex lane markings with a confidence that would have felt like science fiction only a few years ago. Performance is another quiet shock. Do not let the compact size fool you. The dual-motor all-wheel drive configuration delivers instant torque that snaps your head back before your brain finishes processing the throttle input. 0 to 60 arrives in the low 4-second range, a figure that used to belong to sports cars, not practical daily EVs. Power delivery is smooth, linear, and relentless, with no gear changes, no hesitation, just continuous acceleration. Yet, Tesla did not build the Model Q to be a one-trick speed machine. Ride quality is carefully balanced. The suspension absorbs broken pavement without floating, stays composed in fast corners, and remains quiet even at highway speeds. Range anxiety, once the defining fear of electric ownership, barely registers here. Depending on battery configuration, the Model Q offers an estimated range between 400 and 500 kilometers on a single charge, enough to cover most weekly driving without even thinking about plugging in. When charging is needed, Tesla's latest fast charging architecture can add hundreds of kilometers in the time it takes to grab coffee. Efficiency plays a major role in this achievement. The lightweight platform, advanced battery chemistry, and extreme aerodynamic tuning allow the car to sip energy rather than gulp it. Regenerative braking is adjustable, strong enough to enable near one-pedal driving, turning traffic into an opportunity to refill the battery instead of draining it. Safety, as expected from Tesla, sits at the core of the design. The rigid battery pack forms a structural spine, lowering the center of gravity and improving crash performance. Multiple cameras, radar units, ultrasonic sensors, and redundant computing systems constantly monitor the environment. Automatic emergency braking, collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control are not luxury extras here, they are fundamental features. Then comes the ownership experience, an area where Tesla continues to separate itself from traditional manufacturers. Software updates arrive over the air, adding features, improving efficiency, refining driving behavior, and sometimes transforming the car you already own into something noticeably better. Service visits are minimized. Diagnostics happen remotely. Problems are often solved before the driver even notices them. Cost is where the Model Q becomes truly disruptive. Positioned below the larger Model 3 and Model Y, it aims to open Tesla ownership to a broader audience without diluting the brand. Pricing varies by market, but the strategy is clear. Make advanced electric mobility accessible, not exclusive. Lower running costs, minimal maintenance, and reduced energy expenses further strengthen the value proposition. Of course, no vehicle is perfect. Some drivers will miss traditional instrument clusters. Others will want more physical controls. Enthusiasts may desire a louder, more emotional driving experience, something electric silence can never fully replicate. And full self-driving, while impressive, still depends heavily on regulations and software maturity. But taken as a whole, the 2027 Tesla Model Q represents a turning point. It compresses what used to require a premium badge into a compact, efficient, software-defined platform. It treats electricity not as a limitation, but as a foundation. It treats automation not as a gimmick, but as a core capability. And it treats the driver not as a passive passenger, but as a partner in an evolving digital ecosystem. This is the kind of car that changes expectations quietly. One day you're driving it to work, the next you realize every other compact car feels outdated, noisy, complicated, and inefficient. That is the real power of the Model Q. Not just its speed, not just its screens, not just its range, but the way it makes the future feel normal, practical, and inevitable. The 2027 Tesla Model Q does not announce a revolution with fireworks and noise. It delivers it in silence, in software updates, in invisible algorithms, in electrons flowing through copper instead of fuel through pipes. And in doing so, it redraws the map of what an everyday car is supposed to be. Infotainment deserves its own spotlight because the Model Q treats the digital experience as seriously as mechanical engineering. The central display is not just large, it is fast in a way that eliminates lag entirely. Pinch, swipe, rotate, and zoom actions respond instantly. Streaming services run natively. Navigation renders in detailed three-dimensional layers, and real-time traffic visualization turns the map into a living system rather than a static guide. Multiple driver profiles store seating position, mirror angles, climate preferences, music libraries, and even driving style, allowing the car to transform itself in seconds for different users. Audio quality matches the visual sophistication. Tesla equips the Model Q with a multi-speaker surround system tuned specifically for the compact cabin volume. Bass is tight instead of boomy, vocals remain clear at high speed, and spatial processing creates the impression of sound floating around passengers rather than coming from fixed points in the doors. Long journeys become easier, quieter, and surprisingly relaxing. Climate control is intelligent rather than reactive. Sensors monitor sunlight, humidity, and cabin temperature, adjusting airflow smoothly without sudden blasts of cold or heat. Heated and ventilated seats respond quickly, and the heat pump system maintains efficiency even in extreme weather. Preconditioning allows the cabin to reach a comfortable temperature before the driver ever opens the door, using grid power instead of battery energy when plugged in. Sustainability is woven into the engineering, not treated as marketing decoration. Materials for batteries are sourced with increasing emphasis on ethical supply chains. Interior fabrics rely heavily on recycled fibers, and manufacturing processes aim to reduce water usage and carbon output. Even the paint options are formulated to require fewer harmful solvents, proving that environmental responsibility does not have to look dull.